Hello everyone. Today we focus on the research too. Today we will learn how to use Gaia to create a simple Terraria. Not simple, it's wonderful Terraria in Unity. Gaia is the best Terraria plugin in Unity. If you buy the professional version, Unity, you also can get the free one. But you just use the free unit like me, you need maybe spend the $60 to buy it. Okay, let's begin. At first, we need to import the Gaia from this store. After I have imported this one into my project, so let's just start how to create the Terraria. Okay, the first step, after our import this plugin, we need to press the Control and G plus G. We just see we can see the window about the Gaia manager. Actually, if we can see the first line is the controller. Controller is about after all you created the whole process that you created the Terraria. You can just like the Gaia gave you like the first reason to see the whole Terraria. They have three different camera, first flying and the second person. The second one is about the environment. It's about if uh, you create some if your project is built in the model or VR or desktop or laptop, different like that. The third one is about the light. What light you want. If you want wonderful light, you can choose another one. The the next one is about how the size you want to create this Terraria. The most size you want to create, the most CPU or other resource you need to use. Now we just use a smaller one, 2048. Okay, the this three is about the Terraria, like default Terraria you want to use. It's often used that you want to auto create one Terraria. So let's just begin our process. The first step, you can just create there to just create the Terraria and show the steps. But in now I want to do it step, so I just do advanced. So I but it is the step is the same. Just I separate the two. I separate the one step to the two steps. Okay, let's just the first step. I will create the season manager. In there, we can see we create the season manager in the project. In the screen. And now, normally we can click the read down Terraria general. This step just want to create the do a basis for all the step. You can just use this step, but you also can just after create it, you just delete it. It's okay. You can just add the steps in there. Now we can see they have the basis of our Terraria, and you can see the blue one. The blue one is we can see it's the sea level. Why I see sea level one, we just clear. This our step. Step is named just like your like the whole like the mountains like the other something. You can just if we like this lab, you can just see this step. You can just see there have uh, uh the blue one is the C. We can adjust this one up and down. You can see the sea level in this terrier is up and down, so it's it's different when we use that like the Unity terrier. Unity terrier we need to like to use the pusher to, or we use the hand to rise the hole or lie down rise the hole or lower the hole. In there we don't need that. We just choose the horse or mountains resource. We just put it in there and we just put it like in like the object. We can use the mouse to up and there is more easy than the Unity Terra. For we also can adjust the size, the direction, the size, the direction of this. We call them is stepped, but we call them is stepped. Okay. This is auto step. The Gaia helps us the auto create. We also we also can delete this one. Delete this one, and we can in there to add a new step in there. Their step is import. We can add our own resource in there. We just choose one resource and there's one okay in there. Let's say we add ourselves in there. Of course, this resource also is the Gaia provided to us. Now we can see these characters. This character is just this three character to adjust the position of this step, and this is about the size. The weight and the height is create the size of this step. The basic level is create the up and down, and let's just just like that. Oh. We just lower this height a little bit. Yeah, just like that. We can see we can press the step to fix this terrain in there, and we also can now we have the fix the first step in our terrain basis. How to change the how to change the different how to say we don't need to just for the one area to create the different resource. For that we can mix different different resource to one new resource. I know there is a little confused for that. Let me try show you how to do it. Now we add a new step in there. Yeah, let me do that. I do a new step in there, and we can see this step is more flat than the first one. How to mix the first one and the second one step to the one step? We can just put change this size we want, and change the direction we want. Oh, we also is to put one smaller one. Oh, there is more easy one. Yeah. then we choose different here. So later. Also, we need to adjust the cover. How to say? We need to make this curve more smooth. We don't need we don't want the between the first and the second one step just like the huge horn or huge mountain last steps or mountain just like that. We want to have the flowy up and down. Yeah, let me try to. We can step there. We can see the after the step was that. A little word in there. Can see. Okay, for the second one we make some mistake in there. This one we will just do a more flat one and make the make the smoothness better. Just change and no. We want to cover this the second one because I wanna have a little mistake for there steps there. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, you can see this one is better than the second one. Change in there. Yeah, and step. Yes, this one. Okay, you can see we add a new part to the in our first area. All the option like that we want to add the like the more high hole or add the river, the operation just like the there curve plan like that. Okay, let's do a next step. Next step, either one we just create the parameters in this our one. Okay, we can see when we click the second step is create a spiral in there. There will show the 5 different spiral in there. The first thing is add the texture to our area, the area we have to create. Okay, just click this one and click the how to say where more we can like the more flat or more scale we can change the different the texture for that. But if you just want the auto create one, we just clean there. The Gaia will help out or do anything. Yeah, Gaia would help us add the texture to our texture, our area. So this second this is the second step. The third one is we can add some object to our terra for return and for in readom and in of course we can adjust some different object for that. The system, if we don't change anything, the system will help us add like like this one, like this object in there. If you do want to check in there, we don't need to change anything. But in the specific project, we need maybe create some. We need to adjust some object in there. But this function also is very suitable for the like the open world. I mean, any map, anytime you open the map, the map that will have the different detail or different like tall, like the cities, just like the system auto create. You also could use this function to achieve the open world function. There, we just ask the system to auto create some add some object in there. Mm. Let's go to the next step. Next step is the system have us to create the auto create the tree. We just click there and the system will help us create a tree in our terra in the suitable space. But you know that if your terra is too high or the terra is too sharp, too straight, this the direction will don't have the any tree or the system don't will create any tree in that place. Of course, we can create more tree and create more tree to click the spare button. Yeah, just like that. The last one is the all Gaia helped us to how to say to perfect the detail in our terrain in our map. The option just like we create the tree or we create the object in this one. The detail just like I see the grass, like the flower, like the what kind of flower you want, just like that, like some detail, like the grass, how long the grass they had, like the wind, the how wind to that in there. Okay, after that we just click the third big step. The system will help us to create a first step camera. Okay, go to the game screen. The first step camera and help us to create the screen holster, the sky, the wing, the waiter and the wing, anything we want. We also can make the. Okay, after this step, we can enjoy our Terra in the game, and we just try this one. Okay, wait 1 minute. I just maximize our screen. Basically, we just use like the few minutes to create like a not bad area, and some detail is very good, like this tree detail, like this land, like this winter. Let's go to see their water. So yeah, I adjust this one. This. Flight camera go to the. I just adjust the flight camera go to the. Near the water. Let's go. You can see the best area I like the is like their sea or their water. It's wonderful. We don't need to adjust the water, like the water flow effect or anything. This water is wonderful. It also can mix the other water plugin like the clear to more perfect this water. But as I say, this water is better than I create. And you can see this grass, this trees, this wind, this cloud. Anything is better and very easy to use. We also can go to the different time. Different time in this morning, like the morning. You can see the sunrise, the light, the cloud. The normal day, we just see the evening, the cypher, the winter, the night. Yeah, anything is wonderful. When we let us go back to the day, we also can add some different. We also can adjust the adjust the different color of this water, like the green water, blue water, more sky blue water. Yeah, just like we also can add any other effect for that. Oh, okay, that's if you just want to create the auto create simple terrain in Gaia. This is a simple introduction for that. Thanks, everyone.